Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am showing you how to install any operating system like Kali Linux, Parrot, Windows on VMware Workstation Pro. First of all, you need to download VMware Workstation from its official site vmware.com. After installing the VMware, you need to open it and go to create a new virtual machine. In this, go to the installer disk image file and choose the ISO file whatever you have. I have Parrot Security OS ISO file, so I am opening it. Since virtual machine cannot detecting the ISO file, so we need to specify it later. Or you can install the operating system later after creating virtual machine. This is the Linux distribution with a Debian 64-bit. Click next. You need to allocate memory size for the your virtual machine. If you have much more, then you can allocate as much as you can. It is recommended size for Debian is 20 GB, so I am letting it to be 20 GB, and I prefer it to be on a single file. Now you need to customize your hardware. I have total 4 GB of RAM, so I am allocating 2 GB for the virtual machine. If you have more, then you can allocate more. And the number of processor 2. I already have the ISO file, and the network connector should be bridged uh, so that it will act as a wire network for the guest operating system on virtual machine. Now USB controller. Click on show all USB input device. Let other be the same. Now click on finish. You can your virtual machine is now ready, and you can edit your virtual machine setting anytime you want. Okay, now go to play virtual machine, and your operating system is now loading on machine. And if you want to install a virtual machine, then you can go to the install option, or if you want to run it on terminal mode, you can go on terminal mode. I am going to run it on live. Okay, it has the option like the shutdown guest, suspend guest, and restart guest. Means the operating system you are running now, this Parrot OS, and our host operating system is Windows. And you can also change the hardware from here. This is full screen mode. Okay, this is the Parrot Security OS. Now specify the keyboard layout and toggle to the full. It is the full mode, full screen mode. And you here you can see many tools that are available on the Parrot Security OS. They are the minimum application available on Parrot Security OS. And these are the advanced tool using Parrot Security OS. Likewise, I am opening the one. Air garden. Okay, it is checking. Everything was okay. It is running now nicely. So we can see our Parrot Security OS is running nicely on our virtual machine. Now I am going to shut it down, and if you have more amount of RAM, then you can allocate more for it for the better performance. Thank you.